and the leg spins backwards. These are trickier than the forwards ones because it's harder to keep the momentum of the spin so that the handle really keeps its circle and does not end up in an up stall or in a bottom stall. When you start, this might be the hardest part to work on, to really get the circle going. The pattern is also a little bit different from the forwards ones. For the forwards ones, we were spinning between the legs and then to the outside. And for the backwards ones, you start on the outside and the whip comes up between the legs. This might be a bit scary that you have the handle really just coming right towards your face. When you first practice, just take a soft prop and that you're not so scared to hit yourself and well, that you don't break your nose or whatever. So when you want to try it, you start spinning backwards. I'm starting here now on the sofa side. Then you lift the same side leg, spin under this leg to the other side and catch here with the opposite hand. And as I said, the tricky part is to really keep the circle going. So it's hard to describe. It's probably a little bit isolating that I move my hand under the leg to give the whip the direction. And maybe some micro movements really in the hand to keep up the direction of the backward spin and not to end up in a stall. So once again from here, and then catch in the other hand in the forwards grip. If you just hold your hand like this in the path that the whip will spin, it spins just right into your hand in the forwards grip. So this, spin here, and then you have the whip in the other hand. Do the same thing there, spinning backwards. Now you lift this leg from the outside underneath to the opposite side and catch here. And when I spin over to the other side, the hand that started the spin still guides the fibers to keep them out of the way, but I let go pretty quickly, otherwise the fibers get tangled here between your legs and you can't really do the spin again to the other side. So from here, spinning over, and then I let go, and when I do several spins on the other side, I re-grab the fibers here to keep them out of the way from the handle end. So spin backwards, under the leg, catching here, and re-grabbing the fibers, under the leg, catching, under the leg, catching. This re-grabbing and guiding the fibers out of the way you need if you want to do several spins before you dare again to spin under your legs. Step by step you can reduce the number of extra spins. So you do just one. And you see there I don't re-grab the fibers here, but they don't tangle really because the handle end gets out of the way all by itself fast enough. So spin, 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 and eventually just continuously from side to side, like this.